Yep. Let's take a break. Take a break. What's up, my smoke stormers? What's up, my smoke stormers? If you're new to the channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And man, what we got going on today is we're in the wilderness. In the wilderness. This is part of a nature zone that they got going on. It's beautiful in here. I'm going to show you guys this old tree. Well, all these trees are pretty much old, right? Uh-oh, what's going on here? You guys are all tangled up. Come here. Come here. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Come on. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Hope we don't see a rabbit. Let's go this way. Come on. Come on. That tree's over here somewhere. Let me find it. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, come this way. Oh, here it goes right here, guys. It's a beautiful tree right here. Come on. Look at this tree, you guys. Check it. See the branch? This is amazing. This is amazing, amazing, amazing. To all my tree lovers out there, I come and always talk to her and say hi. Hey, glad to see you in a week. Yeah, you're surviving, baby. Look at that. Look at that. This is amazing. This is beautiful, beautiful nature. That tree didn't survive. This is beautiful. Look at that. No smoke. He just jumped on it. He's holding on, boy.